Howdy.
Hi. So today we are at DQ, and I'm getting, I got the Artisan chicken and bacon ranch sandwich.
Way to know what you got.
So, let's just see. This is kind of new to the menu, so I will see how it is. Yeah, I think it is.
It's not. It's been a few years.
It's been...
Describe the look.
It looks appealing, actually. It has a whole
Check the
chicken
video, I can
breast.
see what it looks like.
So,
Mango doesn't look good.
oh my god. I'm just gonna go in for it.
This is some wet bread.
It's pretty good. It's really juicy, nice and tender chicken.
Good.
Wouldn't talk while you're still eating. That's what people like.
We should have a show called Manners with Mike.
Yeah.
Anyways, quality sandwich. I mean, I've already had the fries, as you can see from my last DQ review of $5 lunch special box thing here. So, all in all, a good sandwich and stuff. I would say I'd give it an 8 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10. Good sandwich. Stay beautiful.